Hey guys, Hamish here from Hobbies Direct, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and re-oil the air filter on your RC Baja. Cleaning your engine's air filter is an important part of regular maintenance as it'll help to ensure engine longevity and peak performance. I've seen my fair share of dusted engines due to no or poor air filter maintenance, and let me tell you, it can get quite expensive repairing or replacing the damaged components. I personally recommend cleaning your air filter after every run, especially when running in dusty conditions. Alright, let's get started. First we need to remove the filter. Do this by removing the body clip holding the plastic filter cap into place. Then rotate the plastic end cap until the keyway lines up and pull it off. Now remove the outer air filter foam and then the inner plastic mount. This is done by pressing the plastic joiner in and then pulling the two halves apart. Now that we've completely removed the air filter, we want to thoroughly clean the two foam elements in warm soapy water. Then rinse well and leave to dry. Now we can clean the plastic mounts, again using warm soapy water and a brush to scrub each of the parts. Then dry off with a clean cloth. While everything's drying, it's a good opportunity to check your carby's inlet is clean and dust free. If your carby inlet does have dust in it, completely remove it so it can be cleaned thoroughly. If you maintain your air filter properly, there should never be any dust around your carby's inlet. If dust does manage to get through your air filter and into your carby's inlet, it can cause permanent damage to your engine, resulting in poor performance or complete engine failure. Now that our foam filters are dry, we need to re-oil the inner filter. The reason we only oil the inner filter and not both the inner and outer filter is that when both filters are oiled, it attracts a lot more dust, which quickly builds up and leads to poor airflow, affecting your engine's performance. Whereas if you only oil the inner filter, any dust that gets drawn in naturally through the outer filter gets stuck in the inner filter, preventing it from going through your carby and damaging your engine. I recommend either wearing rubber gloves or placing the inner filter in a plastic bag. I'm using Castrol air filter spray as it's easy to apply and does a fantastic job of protecting your engine. Apply the air filter oil to the foam filter and then work it through with your hands. You want to have a good, even, light coverage of oil over the complete filter. Once the filter is oiled, place it back onto the air filter mount. Now, before reinstalling, I personally like to spray a little bit of air filter oil around the O-ring and filter mount, just as an added layer of protection, in case somehow dust gets through the filter or leaks past the O-ring. Now we can go ahead and reinstall the rest of the filter. There you go. You're now ready for another day of fun, knowing that your engine's safe from dust and dirt. Well, I do hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to stay up to date with our upcoming videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.